Tesmi the banners in a thread piece. Tesmi the name cover.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ
Ready? Okay. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Welcome to Tesmi family.
Thank you.
This is the demo for a Love Moon hair color instant shampoo, which is worldwide. Everyone knows this product, and we are really glad to introduce this product in our company. This is Love Moon instant hair color shampoo. In this, actually, a 30 ml consists, and along with this shampoo, we have even a hand gloves also. So this is the video that we are going to give a demo for a Love Moon hair color shampoo. So this is Mr. Plastic, and we are going to give a demo for him, and this is how he is right now actually, and you can make out after using our shampoo how he is going to be. Thank you. The shampoo was what I have told you, and in this box actually 10 sachet will come, and each sachet is consist of 30 ml as well as hand gloves. So now I have taken this sachet, and now you have to just cut the edge. Consist of like this, and you can make out the yellowish is nothing but a conditioner, as well as the black is a shampoo. You can see. Okay, so after this you have to consistently mix, so the color will change, a light brownish, light. And you can take the timings also. You can note down the timings. You can see the foam, and please do not use a water. You can see the foam, how it is spreading, and even the color also will change. And just you need to apply overall. Just gently massage your hair for 5 minutes. So just massaging. So it will go to the root, and it will nourish your hair, and whatever the damage in your scalp, for example hair damage or dandruff, everything will be cured. So you can make the difference. As we have applied the beginning only, the color is lightly, it is changing. Just need to massage it for 5 minutes and just apply it for overall. I'm massaging to the hair because this shampoo has got a natural hair damaging protect. So automatically it will go to the root and it will protect the hair fall as well as from dandruff, and the hair also will be smooth. Minutes, then you can wash your hair. You can make out this, whatever the on the skin which has been applied, you can remove this.
Okay. Now, minimum 10 minutes we have to keep.
Yes,
More than 10 minutes, no problem, isn't it?
no problem, but
No. One eyebrows.
eyebrows ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ
ಅದು ಐಗೋದ್ರೆ
ಹಾ.
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Black head.
ಕಾಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Meanwhile, MD has sent.
As you have seen here, whenever you are applying this on the skull, whatever it is there, if you apply a soap or anything, it will go off. Even you can wipe it with a cotton also. Just take the cotton ball and just take it. Just wipe it. That is more than enough. Some long lasting for more than 20 days. And please do not use. After using this shampoo, please don't take immediate take bath. That is, don't apply any other shampoo because this has already got a shampoo as well as a conditioner. You should not use any other shampoo.
Okay.
ಎಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್
Mr.
Placid.
Placid has come back and you can make out the difference how he was and now how he is. So before and after, please clap him. He's looking very young and you can see the difference. And you can see the difference on the hair that it is not a jet black. It's a natural black.
Yes.
So he's looking 18 years old boy. And how we have
See, it was very comfortable, this one, and I was feeling very cool
Okay.
to the head.
yes.
And there was no problem. It was very
There was
nice.
any itchiness or
No itchy, nothing. It was really normal
Yeah,
and
you-
natural.
You were feeling relaxed. There is no.
Now I feel normal only, no problem.
No problem.
While applying, I was feeling cold.
Okay.
It was very cool.
Yes.
So it was okay.
Okay.
No problem.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೂದಲೇನ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ
You can make out. You noticed, you have seen the mirror. How
No.
you are looking? You
No,
have
I didn't see the mirror.
Oh, that is why you are not feeling anything. Mirror ಇಲ್ಲ.